I just wanted to check to see if you guys had any availability next week for a crane to raise a mast. I'm on hold. Hey Matt, I just want to see what you guys' availability was for next week to raise a mast. Thanks Matt, take it easy.
Thank you.
Bye. We got a crane booked. Yes. It's the final hour. It's a mad dash to try to get the mast ready. We got the crane coming in like an hour and a half. Still got to do a bunch of stuff.
And it's like the windiest day ever. So I don't know if that makes a difference.
Hopefully not.
But we're excited to get the mast back up because it's been like a year and a half now that we have had it down, and
too long.
I just feel like it's gonna be, I make her look complete with it up.
She'll be whole again.
So in our haste of getting all the last minute things done, because we were gone this weekend for the mast to be raised, and I think, like, I just checked my watch. I don't have a watch. And that is a 10 till 12 every day. Anyway, so we have like, I think an hour maybe left before they are coming to put up our mast. And I'm in charge of the clevis pins and cutter pins. I think that's what they're called. I just learned about them today. So if the mast falls over, it's probably my fault.
We're gonna tie a loop around just above the spreaders, and then we're gonna run a piece of rope from the bottom of the mast all the way up to that loop, run it back down. That way we can get some leverage and pop the mast up. Yes, the hook weight is wearing a coat. Why? Because it's frickin' cold. Love.
What are we doing?
They all need to be put on at the same time, like, because the way that they work is you want them equidistant from the center. So back that one out all the way off.
From the bottom or the top?
So they thread on together and they thread off together.
It's cold, it's windy, but our mast is up. So, since we got a mast, figured we'd test it out. Actually, we had these wires that have been slapping, and they were just space holders. So we're taking them down because they're just warping. But I'm the one who got voted, nominated to take up in the chair.
Volunteered.
We are really excited to see what this year has in store for us, and we want to wish everybody the best year ever. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in next week as we dive further into this minimalist lifestyle and get rid of more stuff. Also, putting up the boom. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more, please tune in over on Patreon. Our link is below. See you next week. Thanks, guys.